Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is world's first genetically modified horse. Argentina has successfully created the world's first genetically modified horse using CRISPR-Cas9 technology. The modification aims to make the horses faster while keeping their other natural qualities intact, a process described as a natural acceleration of evolutionary processes. The horses were engineered with genes from the award-winning mare Polo Pureza, aimed at enhancing their speed for polo. This breakthrough opens doors to more precise genetic modifications in animals with potential applications in medicine such as xenotransplantation and agriculture. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new badge for the IASGS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501 87501. Key details. The genetic modification was done by Argentina biotech firm Khiron using precision tools like genetic scissors to alter specific genes in the horse's DNA. 5 genetically modified horses were born in October and November 2024, retaining the physical traits of Polo Pureza but enhanced for speed. The modification targeted muscle fibers to improve explosiveness and speed, making them genetically superior to Polo Pureza herself. CRISPR-Cas9 technology allows for precise editing of the genome, enabling scientists to make targeted genetic changes that would traditionally take much longer through natural breeding methods. Khiron also plans to use this technology in other animals like pigs for organ transplants and cows for better adaptation to heat and higher protein production. Global impact. This breakthrough opens doors to more precise genetic modifications in animals with potential applications in medicine such as xenotransplantation and agriculture. It sparks ethical debates on genetic manipulation and its implications for biodiversity and animal welfare, despite claims that it does not involve artificial alteration of DNA sequences. The modification does not count as genetic doping as it involves enhancing natural sequences rather than adding artificial elements. Now it's time for the practice question. Which animal is Khiron also working to genetically modify for organ transplants? Cows, pigs, sheep or dogs? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.